What's up guys, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. I am here with a massive spring collective haul for you guys. This is kind of stuff that I have been purchasing from the beginning of the semester until now, preparing for spring. It is finally warm outside. It's like 72 degrees outside. It's beautiful and I'm loving it. I actually just got back from spring break. I went to Boca Raton, Florida. So nice with my best friend Maddie and both of our boyfriends. It was so fun and I just turned 21. I have lots of spring clothes to show you all. So yeah, let's just get right to it. Also, I'm going to be showing you my bikinis in this. Definitely probably won't be trying them on because last time I did a Zaful bikini haul, I had literally had to delete all of the comments because they were just disgusting. So we're not going to do that. So if you're here to see a bunch of bikini videos, click away. Starting with Forever 21, this definitely isn't really spring, but if you're from Knoxville like I am, spring, like it's literally like 30 degrees one day and then 72 the next, so you have to prepare for everything. But I've been loving joggers lately. We got 2 pairs of joggers. I love Forever 21 because they're so cheap and they always have such great deals. So I got this pair of purple joggers. They're kind of like, is this mauve? I think it's mauve. But they're super cute. Literally the most soft material I have ever felt. The comfiest sweatpants I own. The next ones that I got are these black joggers with, they have 2 stripes. Is it 2? Yeah. They have 2 stripes down the side. This one is a metallic-y silver stripe, and then this one is like, it's kind of like a leather feeling. So lately I've just really been loving graphic tees, particularly men's graphic tees, because 1, they're really cheap, a lot cheaper than girls' graphic tees, you will find that. And 2, I feel like you can wear them with anything. You can wear them with just like regular shorts, you can wear them with biker shorts, you can wear them with leggings, jeans, anything. They can go either way, and I just think they're the perfect thing for class. So I got 3 graphic tees, and these were all like $7, super cheap. Okay, I'm gonna get so much hate for this when I wear this one, but I saw it and I was like, it's $7, I have to have it. I'm just gonna show you all. I got this. And it's super big that I love it because I love wearing t-shirts and you can't even tell I'm wearing pants, but like I am, but you have no idea. The next one, I'm not like entirely sure how I feel about this. I definitely am not like, I don't know. It's just color, and you know, I feel like I'm going to wear the black and white ones more, but this one is still super cute. It has a picture of a car on it, just a large men's graphic tee. And the next one I got, sorry it's wrinkled because I literally just took it out of the wash, but this one is hands down my favorite. I've worn this a couple times now. It is this graphic tee, and it's just so plain and simple and super big. Next, from Forever 21, I decided to bite the bullet and get a pair of biker shorts. These, you all will not believe how much these were. They were $3 from Forever 21. $3. I was like, it's like the cost of tax, like why not? But they're just super stretchy, cotton. They just kind of feel like leggings. But honestly, like what more could you need? I'm so excited to wear these. Got this super cute romper. I felt like, I don't know, I just love like versatile rompers that I can wear when like I go out to like brunch or I go out to a dinner, just something to throw on. And I loved this. It has kind of like this lace detailing and it's pretty low V-cut. And I just think it looks great for like just a night out to dinner. I might wear it to dinner tonight, who knows. Now I'm going to move on, switch over to my bikinis that I got. If you want to check out the bikinis on me, you can look on my Instagram. I'll link it down below. I posted pictures in my bikinis, but other than that, we're not gonna try them on. All of these are from Zaful. You all know I am obsessed with Zaful. And honestly, I've never really gone wrong with them. As long as you look at the reviews, you're kind of in the clear. I wear a medium and everything. Okay, so the first one that I got, I love the bottoms so much. They're a leopard print. They're so cute. They don't look like a lot of coverage, and while yes, like they're not the best coverage, they're not the worst. They aren't like a full thong, which I like. and I love that it's V. It goes up super like on your hips, and I think that's really flattering, at least for like my body type. And then the top I love because it's so versatile. I can wear it with really any bottoms. It's just a black triangle top, clips in the back, adjustable straps. Can't go wrong with it. My next one I wore my birthday. My birthday was St. Patrick's Day, and I had my birthday on the beach, which was so great. I got this green bikini for it, and honestly I'm still gonna wear it. Like, you can never go wrong with this shade of green. It's like an army green. Again, it's the V. It's a little bit less coverage than the other one. The top, I love this top. It's so comfortable, and I didn't have to worry about it falling off. It's kind of like a sports bra, and it was so flattering. The next one, this one I only wore at night when we would like go in the hot tub. I don't know, personally I don't feel very comfortable wearing like full-on thongs at the beach when there's families there. I don't like the idea of people staring at my butt. I don't know, but so I only wore this like at night because look at the, oh, yikes. Definitely didn't know it would be this much when I bought it, but hey, it's cute if I want to wear it. I don't know, but I still like that it's V. Can't really tell what's the front and the back, so I just guess. And then the top, I love the top. It definitely wouldn't, I don't think it would be good for people with bigger boobs because I have pretty small boobs and there's no padding, and it's kind of just like, yeah, boob. You know, I had to get a cheetah. I'm kind of obsessed with cheetah. You're gonna like learn. I'm kind of going out of it, but I bought a lot of cheetah and I kind of regret it because it's definitely not gonna stay on trend for very long, but I'm gonna milk it. So I got this bikini, the top. I don't recommend if you have bigger boobs. Like I said, I'm like a B cup, and I mean, it was definitely pushing it. Then the bottoms, they were a little big on me, but I still wore them. They are high, okay, if I can figure it out. They're high-waisted. I went to Urban Outfitters and I got this beach bag. I will say that it definitely stretched out as I wore it, and it got kind of wet. And then I like how it's a pretty big bag and the inside is lined so stuff didn't fall out of it and sand didn't get all up in my stuff. Now moving on to PacSun. I got this cheetah dress, pretty bodycon, and it comes down a little bit in the front. This would look super cute with just some black heels. This dress I love. It's from Brandy Melville. Brandy Melville is in PacSun. It's just this dress, has blue flowers on it, and I loved it because it's so versatile. I can wear it with some sandals, I can wear it with my Air Force Ones. Either way, it's such a casual dress that can be worn when you're literally doing everything. I got this crop top. It's just a basic white crop top with some lace detailing that's just perfect. If I want to just throw it on with some high-waisted shorts, high-waisted jeans. I love this. I think it would look so great in the summer with like some high-waisted white jeans, a white skirt, anything. It's just I love the color of it. I feel like I don't have a lot of shirts that are this color. A black crop top with striped straps. Again, just super versatile. I like to buy pretty basic stuff that I can just wear a bunch of times and wear it with a bunch of different things. So that's what we have here. Alright, that is all of the clothes that I have to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you like what you see, and I will talk to you all next time.